Today we're going to be going off to the beach today.
It's not a beach, it's a mountain.
It's a mountain? Oh man. Sides and washouts, which you can see. So when was the last time we had a really big, oh, and you got the, I guess that's where we're going to stop, huh? All right. Yeah, the road doesn't go. So we've got to reverse this bad boy right here. Down the mountain. You said this is a secret spot that people don't know about? I think you might be right. We even got curtains for it right here. So they're saying, hey, man, you need privacy. That's right. When the van be a rockin', don't be a knockin'. We got the, when the curtains are drawn back. Cheers. Look at this guy. This guy's already, he's ready for the beach. Don't even have a shirt on over here. Look at that guy, and there's some kid in the very back sitting there. It's not a beach, it's a mountain. It's a mountain? Oh man. Then we have this kid back here we won't even discuss. We'll just go on. So around here, bicycles and mopeds are kind of like squirrels and rabbits, right? They're everywhere, just running around.
I'm talking about big rock.
So how long did it take you to learn how to drive these city streets? Because you're still learning after all this?
No, I'm okay.
Is that right?
The only one I had, the really bad one I had, I was driving, it was a rainy day and it was nighttime. And when you make a left turn, right?
Yeah.
You're making a left turn. But from here, right, you're making a left turn from
the left side.
The left over to the left side, right? And
we tried to don't go.
I grew up in Blaine.
Green. He made it. Oh, he made it.
skills.
There, now we're in the city streets.
There we go. So I was making a left turn in that, and I was on the inside. And some girl was on the outside. And so when the light turned green and I took off, I had a flashback of driving back home. And then I actually drove. I turned left because I knew I was turning left, but I turned left across the island to the other side.
Oh, so head on in traffic?
To the oncoming traffic.
There you go. And how well do they take it?
Yeah, well, luckily the oncoming traffic was way down. So, but we had to do a 3-point turn.
But it's okay. You can do that on one city street in San Diego.
So, but it was funny because when I did that, it was actually pretty big, like a really big wide street with an actual island in the middle of it. And when we did the 3-point turn, the girl goes and we made eye contact to it, and her eyes were like wide. And she's like, "What the hell did you do?" But you got a little bit of an excuse for her, right, at the time, because you looked like a foreigner probably renting a car. Yeah, actually at that time I didn't even have my license yet.
Oh jeez. Enjoy here, got a little egg, a little bit of here. Go out to a little secret spot. I want to go over here to go to my brother's favorite bakery right over here. So. What's that? Good. That thing looks neat. What is that, bad boy?
Chicken. I got that one from Nathaniel. Chicken is
Two different things here. Enjoy here, got a little egg, a little bit of here. This is a really reasonably priced thing. Not bad. What's this one here we got? A little stuffed something?
It's like a cheese.
Is that really? Oh, I'm gonna have to get that. I think I'm just gonna go grab a bunch of that. That's a good, nice sized bread right there. I like that. Yeah. I'm gonna go and I should probably go back and go get one. I can just give you some. I don't know. And even have a little area for kids right. Driving up into the mountains now, up above. We're still in Fukuoka? You said this is a secret spot that people don't know about? I think you may be right.
I've been here once. So this is the thing, if you notice on the side of these streets, countryside roads in Japan, that's where they're psychotic. Because if you don't realize that there's the
oh yeah, they got the little, they got like little ditches inside.
You go straight down into it, which I did once.
Which those are not really ditches, those are like miniature...
drainage. They're drainage ditches, they're drainage lines.
Oh, I thought they were more like little miniature, like World War I trenches they look like.
No.
Your money is over here.
Because we're trying to swoop it back around and see if we can.
You could see a lot of water
the runoff.
washout. Yeah, a bunch of washouts.
Actually, that's when the rain happens in a lot of the areas. When you hear the most damage, it's almost always from landslides.
Landslides and washouts, which you can see. So when was the last time we had a really big? Oh man, you got the. I guess that's where we're gonna stop, huh?
All right.
And now we found out that we found out the road ends.
Yeah, the road doesn't go.
So we've got to reverse this bad boy right here. Down the mountain to the side. Jeez.
Like I said about Eta
Mia, I thought you were supposed to watch to make sure this wouldn't happen. I thought. Remember I said, Mia, make sure watch the road for your dad and make sure that.
I guess they don't figure that there's many idiots that actually drive up here, so they don't even have a sign that says the road
closed or anything. Place up here in the mountains, you could overlook that's Fukuoka out there. We're up in the mountains now. This is amazing. Gotta check this out. We've got ourselves a bridge into an area where they just built out here. Look at this. It's a little mountain runoff to the bridge right here. Trevor tells me it's pretty cold too, this water. But if you look right past here, take it, go across this bridge right here. Oh, they're going up the bridge, look at that. They're going up. See all this? We're gonna be going up in that area, right up there.
It's kind of nice. And I kind of screwed everybody if there another car wanted to park.
Oh yeah, you did it right in the middle, you parked. Yeah. Well, maybe it could be two small cars. Real small.
Watch out for spiders. There will be spiders.
Watch out for spiders. It says. What we got here, guys? Big spider? Oh yeah, look at him.
Oh, it looks like the hornets in the spider's nest and got it in there. He won.
The hornet did?
Yeah.
Yeah! Woo! Holy moly. Look at this. Wow.
Got our pool here, swimming pool here.
Waterfall shower. What's this? Everybody trying not to cry. I wonder what that is right there.
It's a little mini, something set up over there.
Yeah, I'll have to check that out. Tell me how cold it is. Is it cold in there now?
Wow!
You see that look on his face of sheer paranoia. How was it? Was it pretty cold, dude? Watch out, don't get me all wet. Have to go up there now. The paths where they're all at, towards the waterfall. I gotta see this thing. This waterfall is incredible. Check this out. You've got like I don't know what this is, but somebody went over and put a little house up here. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's looking pretty awesome, whatever it is. Maybe I can find out what it is and tell you guys. But you could just tell, just set on a couple of little foundations, some rocks here and there, and they just put a little metal bottom on it. Let's see what this is. It might be like a little bit of a shrine altar or something. Let's see. Yeah. Just like some cleaning supplies is really all it really is. It's just like some little cleaning supplies and things. See inside there? It's nothing really too big. But right over here, oh my gosh. See what this is? got some different, looks like different altars and stuff sitting here, like little shrines and stuff. You can also go over right here. You can put a little bit of offering of money here. Probably burn some candles or something like that down here. But it goes all right here. All this area right here, there's all kinds of different shrines and different probably symbols, deities. Go check out this waterfall. Hopefully I don't bite it going in. Right here. Probably gonna mist up the whole camera too, but it'll be okay. Here it is. Look at this thing. That thing go all the ways up. Woo! Going in the water. Shit! It's gonna fall in the water. Yeah, it goes right down. Never mind. Oh, I'm gonna freeze my nuts. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. They're all coming out. Amazing. Look at that bad boy. Old praying mantis right there. When I feel like I kind of slipped and fell a bit, kind of messed up my finger. It's really bruising up bad, and I think I re-dislocated my thumb. Look at that thing, it just doesn't look right. I can still make a fist, but it slid right back there, right on my butt. Look at a waterfall! No! Uh-oh. Hold on. You gonna do it, Noah? What? Noah, do it! Ah! Mia, what do you think? You want to tell everybody, what did you think of it? What'd you think?
Good.
You like that? Yeah. So yeah, this waterfall, it's not really seen by many people really at all. Not many people know about it. I mean, it's seen probably about as much as my chest sees sun. I'm gonna check out over here. I was looking over at the second stage of the waterfall, and we actually found some fish. And check this out. That's pretty cool. I wouldn't think there would be fish over here. I just gotta be careful where I'm going. Gotta hope there's no poison ivy. Look down here, you can see some fish. Right here. Looking right in here. There they are. Little fish in there. Just hanging out in between the rocks. Some good sized ones, some little ones. sitting here and I got some bread. This is actually Noah, the one who's sitting there playing in the water down there. This is actually one of his favorite breads. It's got, what's the name of the little eggs? Mintai. Little mintai. They're like little fish eggs. If you can see inside there, put them in there. And they kind of cook it with it on the top, and inside they stuff it with it right in here, if you can see that. So, little egg pops out. But when you eat it, it's like, almost like, it's like French bread, but it tastes like Parmesan on top. But then with the eggs, it gives it a little bit of a salty taste to it. So it just kind of like heightens the whole flavor of the bread. It's one of his favorite breads. Got some visitors over here. Not bad. Actually pretty good. It's got a little of everything in it. All right, here's another one right here. This is pork katsu. It looks like it's got some cabbage. It's got a sauce, but I don't know really what it is. And then it's got a little pork katsu sandwich. Mia, what are you eating?
I don't know, chicken.
You got chicken, like a little chicken ball sandwich? Oh my gosh. You want to show everybody? No. So this one's a little bit more complicated. This is kind of a dessert, if I could keep it together still, because I broke it apart. Sorry.
You might find a little charge.
Describe this one. We've got caramel. We have shaved walnut, actually shaved almonds. Yep, shaved almonds, surrounded by chocolate with almost like a croissant, chopped up squares of croissant put together with a sugar butter base on top of it. Yeah. Susanna, you gonna show everybody man what you just caught?
Crabby.
You caught a crab? Let me see. You got a freshwater crab, huh? You caught it sitting out there?